We were at Castle Kanota. The castle was built initially in 1876. My father decided to convert this into a heritage hotel in 2007.
This entire structure was built in one generation.
The floor is still original from 1876. Wall has got Irash.
We've just let it be as it was and sort of just modernize certain amenities to make it comfortable for the guests. Right now we are in the General Amar Singh Kanota Library and Museum. So this is the room that's dedicated to General Amar Singh Ji's military careers, and how we've designed the library is that every room reflects a certain important aspect of his life. Because he wanted the heritage aspect also to be developed over here. He didn't want it to be, cold glass fronted displays. And the brief for the landscaping always, my father-in-law says that I don't want any fancy foliage. Give me only that which is local. Do it slowly but do it well, and don't forget your roots, where you come from.